Hello, in front of me I have REALME Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe upwards on the screen to open the menu. Here, scroll down and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Custom. And here scroll down and at the bottom we have Time System option. Tap on it. And here you can select between 24-hour time format and 12-hour time format. Select what you like by tapping on it, then tap Confirm. And now if you go back to the watch face, our time will be in 12-hour format. And that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.